Hi, my name is Emma Madden. I am a junior in the marketing program. I will be graduating spring 24. I chose to attend Shawnee because I knew that they were offering the program and the kind of programs I was looking for without having to travel too far away or to pay too much for the same kind of education. And I had had a really positive experience with some of the educators through taking college credit in high school. So I had this sense of community with the teachers already, so that I just kind of eased my way into college without the stress of a big move. My favorite part of my degree has definitely been the hands-on experience. I'm not a concept learner. I want to be able to do stuff. I want to be able to try new things and learn, make mistakes. So by doing these real-life projects, the case studies, the group projects as a class, I feel like I've not only learned the actual technical skills of my path, but I've also been able to learn like how to work with a larger team, how to work on a team of creative people, not just doing a project by myself. I definitely feel that the classes I've taken through this major have been able to prepare me for my future through, like I mentioned, those hands-on, detail-oriented projects, not just making something static and turning it in, doing accurate, up-to-date things with social media, with imaging, doing editing, creating video content that is like moving with film and music, different pieces like that, rather than just learning about something through a book. So the internship that I've recently started has been through a local small business, Amelia Gray Skincare and Cosmetics. It's a salon and spa that was actually started by a School of Business graduate, and my boss is also a graduate of the marketing program, so I feel like there's a little bit of camaraderie there between the three of us. But I am currently working as their social media and content creation intern, so I am scheduling posts, creating content, editing posts, all the way up through the filming process of watching a service be performed by a professional, recording that process, interviewing the client, even to content creation that features myself, so modeling products, putting together video content, tutorials, different things like that get shared to our social media, as well as engaging with clients and interacting with them. So not only am I doing the actual posting and scheduling of posts, the very technical like media management sides of things, I'm actually getting a hands-on opportunity to film my own content and produce content and learn how to be in front of a camera and create that content on my own. One of my minors is entrepreneurship, so the idea of creating content of other people, but then also myself, is really exciting. Through being a student at the Lute School of Business, I feel that I'm able to learn not only the techniques and education necessary to do my program, but get the hands-on and team building experience I need to.